What is LSI? Why should it be used in SEO? How important it is for SEO? Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In our last video, we talked about many types of keywords and covered this type, but as I understand that this is the most important and necessary type and also connected with every main keyword, so it will be helpful to understand it deeply and in detail. Let's understand. An algorithm rank brain was developed in 2015. It was focused on the intent of searching for users. It was actually seen that if a person is typing a keyword, then what is his actual intention? For example, if a user types apple in his search box, then he can see the details of apple fruits and the information of apple related web pages too. But how does Google know that with what intention this person is searching? When Google started understanding this, then Google added LSI keyword in on page SEO for our audience to find their exact term. Now we have to focus on our main keyword and on those keywords too that are related to our main keyword. LSI is a synonym. Like if we write about money, then economy and financial system are synonyms related to money. LSI means latent semantic indexing. Latent means something that is hidden or not clear. Semantic means meaning, and indexing is related to the indexing part of the Google. Latent semantic means that keyword that are indirectly related to our main keyword. For example, let's say my work is digital marketing training. Digital marketing training became my main keyword, and digital marketing course, internet marketing, SEO, SMO, all of these keywords are related to my main keyword. So all of these will become LSI keywords for me. If I want Google to keep my page on the first rank or give a good ranking, then I will have to focus on LSI keywords because a visitor is also searching by LSI keywords. Where you will get these LSI keywords, which words can be related to your main keyword or niche. The number one tool for this is Google itself. You will get many ideas from Google itself. Whenever you type any query on Google, then at the end of it, you see some words in it. Those will be our LSI keywords. Apart from that, there are many free and paid tools like keywords.io or LSI Graph. It is very important to consider and choose LSI keywords during keyword research because what is important for Google in the matter of its audience, that thing is also important for us because ultimately we have to reach our audience through Google and other search engines. That's all from today's video, viewers. I hope so I was able to clear my point. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.